it's Miss Justine here to show you how to do this week's craft, the collared shirt card. So in your kit, you're going to find one white card template, one multicolored square, one sheet of stickers, and a few buttons. You're also going to need glue. I have a glue stick, but if you have white glue or something else, that's okay too. Markers or crayons or something else to color with, and other decorations that you might want to use to decorate the card, and also a pair of scissors. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is cut along the solid lines of the template. So on this dotted line here, you're not gonna cut, but on these solid lines, these ones, you're gonna cut, okay? So let's see what that looks like. So I've cut around the outside. And the next thing I'm gonna do is cut this slit, this big long line, and this little line, okay? So here's what it'll look like. Okay, so our card looks like this right now. We've got two slits cut here, we've got our line in the middle, and we have a big rectangle. The next thing we're gonna do is fold our card on the dotted line. So fold it right down the middle. Okay, so make sure you give it a nice push on the crease here. And this front part with the slits, this is gonna be the front of the card. This part that says easy peasy and fun, that's the back part of the card, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is glue the buttons down the center of the front of the card. Okay, so mine looks like this. Depending on what kind and how many buttons you have, yours might look a little different, and that's okay. That's what's gonna make them so nice. All right, so while those are drying and the buttons are settling in, we're gonna take our multicolored square and cut a tie shape out of it. Do you know what a tie is shaped like? It's kind of like a diamond. And it looks kind of, it's what people wear around their necks when they want to look fancy. So you could do a bow tie, you could do a necktie, or whatever you'd like. You're gonna cut that shape out of the multicolored paper. Okay, so I chose to do a bow tie, but you may have chosen a different tie. The next step you're gonna do is get ready to attach the tie you made to the center of these two slits. If your tie is wider than this space, then you may have to do this in a bit of a different order. You may want to fold the corners down first, or you may want to glue first, whatever makes the most sense. Okay, so the way we're gonna make this look like a collar is we're going to fold our strips of paper down like this. Okay, so there, it looks like a collared shirt. I'm gonna put my bow tie right here. I'm gonna glue it on, but if you have a necktie, you can put it down this way as well. Glue is not necessary to make these stick, but if you want to make sure they're extra secure, you can definitely add it here. Okay, so this is what mine looks like so far. The next thing we're gonna do is decorate. So if you have some colored pencils or crayons or markers, we have stickers that we gave you, but maybe you have more stickers at home. You can use those to decorate your card inside and out, however you want. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my star stickers and stick them to the front and to the bow tie that I made. So I decorated the tie, and now I'm going to color a little bit on the front of the shirt. Okay, so I colored mine in, I drew a little pocket, and now I'm going to write a special message inside. Because Father's Day is coming up, I'm gonna make mine for my dad, and I'm gonna write, "Dear Dad, you shirt are a great father. Love, Justine." Do you get my joke? Because we made a shirt. So I wrote, "You shirt are a great father. Love, Justine." So I'm gonna give this to my dad for Father's Day, but maybe you have somebody else in your life that you would like to give yours to, a special friend or a family member, or maybe a pet, somebody. That's okay too. We look forward to seeing your collared shirt cards. You can email them to us at kids@uplnj.org, and we will put them onto our online art gallery. You can see everybody else's submissions and your own at uplnj.org/kids. Again, our calendar should have been in your kits, so you can come see us at the library anytime, especially at one of our programs. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, everyone.